Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk through an unboxing of our ES-LS9A shaver here. It's a really popular shaver. We're really proud of it as well. We're going to go through everything you can expect to find in the box of your new shaver. We did do another video featuring the PV3B shaver over here. We did an unboxing of that one and we talked through some of the features as well. So if you're interested in that shaver, do check those out. But for now, let's have a look at what you can expect to find in the box of the ES-LS9A. So this is part of our 900 plus series. And so the first thing to have a look at is actually the shaver and the carry case itself. This is a hard shell case, so it's perfect for traveling. Once you open it up, you can see the shaver is in there as well, and you can see the 6 blades using Japanese technology. They look so cool there. So there's the shaver in the case. Now let's have a look at, of course, the all-important charge and cleaning case. So this is where your shaver is going to charge, but also where it's going to use the self-clean function. And you'll also notice that you get some Panasonic detergent to go with the cleaning station as well. Just a point on this, make sure that this is the only detergent you do use when cleaning your shaver. You can find out more about that on our support website. Of course, you've got your charge cable. That's going to go into the back of your charge station. In terms of maintenance, you do get a little bottle of oil as well. Really important that you keep the blades well oiled for good sort of overall usage. In terms of documents, there's your Pan-European guarantee terms and conditions, so have a read of that if you're interested. You have as well, of course, got your full user manual here in multiple languages. I'm not going to get all that out, that's there if you need it. And last but not least, my favorite thing, the little cleaning comb. This thing's great. Obviously really important to keep your blades clean and free of hair. In fact, it's really important to do that before you use the self-cleaning station, just to make sure that the detergent can do its best work. So there you have it. That's everything you can expect to find in your new ES-LS9A shaver box. We're going to talk a little bit about some of the great features of this shaver in another video. So if you're interested to find out more, do check that out. In the meantime, if you're interested in purchasing this shaver, do have a look at our online stores. All the links are in the description below. We have got offers running now. You can find the right shaver for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.